Ryan, I've been through all the seasons on my driveway. We had ice, and then we had slush, and now we have mud.
There you go.
That much melting.
That much melting, yeah.
I tried to go for a run this morning on a trail, and all the snow had melted around the trail. On the trail, though, the snow was so packed down, it was still like a sheet of ice.
Ooh.
I imagine now it's much better, though.
Yes, after another full day.
Right, definitely.
A little dicey this morning.
Yeah.
That's for sure. We've got another mild, about 24 hours left, and then the temperatures will tumble tomorrow night after a cold front comes through. And you compare what it will feel like tomorrow to Friday, they will feel like two totally different seasons. There are some chances for snow in the forecast, some snow showers, and maybe even a period of steady light snow Saturday afternoon and evening, and then we'll be watching a larger storm offshore Sunday night into Monday. Now we just have some rain showers that are blossoming around the region. Any snow tonight will really just be confined to high elevations and right near the Canadian border. Down East Maine, we're starting to see the showers fill in there as well. It's 41 in Bar Harbor, Bangor, Waterville, Lewiston, and Portland as well. Pretty common number, still in the 30s up north, but most areas are above freezing. This is the front that's on the way, and it arrives about this time tomorrow night. So out there tonight, a scattering of showers. The total amount of rain, though, generally less than a quarter inch. Could get a bit more in down East Maine with a round of steadier rain in the middle of the night. You can see the snow is really just confined to the peaks and right along the international border up through the Allagash. Most everywhere else, though, this is rain. Tomorrow, a brief shower around. I just don't see there being much precipitation during the day. Temperatures that will get into the 40s and then drop dramatically tomorrow night. And by Friday morning, we are down in the teens and low 20s still down east. Takes a little bit longer for the cold to get there. Could be a flurry on Friday, but overall there will be sunshine. It's just going to be cold and windy. These are the wind chills Friday afternoon. It's going to be a cold one out there for sure. Now on Saturday, we'll start out dry, but there's a little disturbance that comes along. And this could bring some light snow Saturday afternoon, evening, and night, perhaps into early Sunday morning in eastern Maine. Possibility is there for 1 to 3 inches. If need be, we'll have a map out tomorrow on that. Then we get a break on Sunday, but a more important storm will start forming off the southeast coast. The question with this one is its track, and the vast majority of our computer models have kept this offshore where it's not really a storm for us. However, there has been some trend today in some of the computer models to bring it a bit closer. If this were to be the case, some snow is possible Sunday night into Monday morning, especially in eastern Maine. We'll keep following that, so check in for updates. Seas tomorrow, 4 to 6 feet, southwesterly winds on the water. So during the day tomorrow, a lot of clouds. There could be a brief shower, and it's still mild. Temperatures crash tomorrow night. It's a cold day on Friday. Could be some light snow, especially Saturday afternoon and evening, that may amount to a couple of inches in spots. And then we'll keep an eye on Monday. But whatever happens with Monday, it looks quite cold for the middle of next week. Next Wednesday, not looking like this Wednesday.
Yeah, very different.
Back down to the cold overnights.
Right.
Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.
We'll be right back.